Alright guys, this is a quick little video that I'm making for a BMW Z3 that I just purchased a little while ago. And I had a little chip right here. I'm trying to get it on the frame, which was this little dot right there. And I took it to SpeedyGlass to get it repaired because I was gonna do it myself, but I thought like I might as well get it done like professionally. And when I show up, they told me, oh, this is actually like a really easy fix, you don't even have to worry about it, we'll do it for free. And I was like, wow, okay, this is really generous service right here. But I was like, I mean, sure, like really for free? It's like, yeah, it's like really easy. It's a 5-minute fix. It's like no issue at all. And I keep getting it blurry. And they come out, and a man comes out, and he has this little tool, and he like picks on it, and then he comes out with another little tool, picks on it further, and then he fixes it, I guess, with his little machine. But when he does that, I mean, I think he either presses too hard or something, and he damages on top. So none of this was here before. And so what I'm wondering is, was this just a little scam going on so that I'd want to replace the whole windshield? Because then I was like, obviously kind of not satisfied with this. I was like, what the hell is going on? I get that it was free, that you guys are doing it kind of out of your kindness, but it looks worse than when I came in. So obviously I'm not too in love with this, because I mean, he said that it was structurally better, but that they're not fixing it cosmetically, they're just fixing it structurally. Which sure, thank you, but it looks worse. So my question is, did I just get scammed so I would want a windshield replacement? Because I did immediately ask for a quote for how much that would be, which they said would be $350 with labor included. And well, I don't like the way it looks now. Maybe it won't spread anymore, but it looks ugly. And I'll post a picture of how it looked before and a picture of how it looks now. You guys can let me know. So this was at SpeedyGlass here in Canada, Ottawa. And I mean, hey, they were really nice and polite, but look at that.